Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between finance and economics. Both finance and economics deal with money, resources, and decision-making, but they differ in their focus, scope, objectives, and applications. Let us explore the major differences between these two important fields. Number 1. Finance deals with the management of money, investments, and financial resources, whereas economics studies how societies produce, distribute, and consume goods and services. Number 2. Finance has a narrower scope focusing on individuals, businesses, and organizations, whereas economics has a broader scope covering entire economies, governments, and nations. Number 3. Finance focuses on raising, managing, and utilizing funds, whereas economics focuses on allocating scarce resources to satisfy unlimited wants. Number 4. Finance mainly analyzes individual firms, projects, and financial instruments, whereas economics analyzes both individual units and the overall economy. Number 5. Finance aims to maximize wealth and financial value, whereas economics aims to maximize social welfare and economic well-being. Number 6. Finance is more practical and application-oriented, whereas economics combines both theoretical and practical approaches. Number 7. Finance considers short-term and long-term financial goals and investments, whereas economics often studies long-term economic growth and development trends. Number 8. Finance asks questions such as how to raise funds, where to invest, and how to manage risk, whereas economics asks what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. Number 9. Finance supports decisions related to investments, financing, and dividend policies, whereas economics supports decisions related to fiscal, monetary, and trade policies. Number 10. Finance uses tools such as financial mathematics, valuation models, financial ratios, and portfolio analysis, whereas economics uses economic models, statistical analysis, demand-supply models, and econometrics. Number 11. Finance is based on concepts such as time value of money, risk and return, capital budgeting, and leverage, whereas economics is based on concepts such as scarcity, opportunity cost, elasticity, inflation, and unemployment. Number 12. Finance is commonly applied in corporate finance, banking, insurance, and investment management, whereas economics is commonly applied in public policy, economic planning, labor markets, and international trade. Number 13. Finance is mainly used by managers, investors, shareholders, financial analysts, and institutions, whereas economics is mainly used by policymakers, governments, researchers, economists, and the general public. Number 14. Finance depends on economic conditions and the overall economic environment, whereas economics provides the theoretical foundation upon which financial decisions are made. Number 15. An example of finance is a company issuing bonds to raise capital, whereas an example of economics is a government analyzing the impact of interest rate changes on the economy. In summary, economics studies the overall functioning of an economy and the allocation of scarce resources, whereas finance focuses on managing money, investments, and financial resources within that economic environment. Understanding both subjects helps individuals and organizations make better financial and economic decisions. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.